Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Biology Made Easy. So guys, we have studied the first part till the sternum of the breastbone. So we will be continuing after the part. So if you guys have not watched the first part, please go and watch it. So let's start now. So we have previously learned that skeleton is of two types. One is apical, axial and another one is appendicular. Alright, so in axial we have completed till that is your skull, sternum, and then here is a vertebral column and then ribs. So today we will start with this ribs and vertebral column, and we have already completed this and this one. So let's start with the vertebral column part. Okay, vertebral column. Okay, as you know, it contains 26 bones and contains 5 different type of bones. So let's start by looking one into them. So first one will be our cervical vertebrae. Then our will be your thoracic vertebrae. Then will be your lumbar vertebrae. Then will be your sacral vertebrae, and the last one is your coccyx or caudal. Alright, so let's start with the cervical vertebrae part. So cervical vertebrae is located in your neck part, and it is of total 7 bones. C7 I am writing. So thoracic is of present in the thorax part, that is still your diaphragm, and after that it is of 12 bones. Alright, then lumbar vertebrae. Lumbar is located in the upper abdomen, and it is of 5 bones. So I am writing it L5. Alright, so sacral now. Sacral is of 1 bone and located in the lower pelvic region, or you can say lower abdomen part. Then is the coccyx or the caudal. it is also of one bone and present in the tail part. Alright, so we have almost completed the different type of bones: cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar, sacral, and your caudal. Okay, if someone asks you the formula of your vertebral column, then you will write. So let me give the heading formula. Formula will be your first is cervical vertebrae C7, then is your thoracic T12, and then is your lumbar, that is your 5, then is your sacral is 5 fused, and one is the caudal, that is 1, and it is 4 fused bone. So what is the meaning of this bracket? It actually means that there are 5 bones which are fused to form one bone. So if you add this all, 7 plus 12 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, it will get 26. And these 5 bones are separate in the newborn baby. Okay, so questions can ask like this one also. So now let's start with the ribs part. Ribs are total of 24 bones, and each pair has 12 bones. If you look at the structure, it is like this thing. There will be a center piece, that is your sternum, and here like this thing all the ribs are attached. Okay, like this all are attached. So ribs are of 3 types. Okay, one is your true ribs, another was your false ribs, and the last one is your floating ribs. So what is true ribs? Let's understand that. It is the first 7 pair of ribs. All connected to thoracic vertebrae part. Okay, so this can be a question: what is the thoracic vertebrae part? Now let's come to the true ribs. So let's start with the false ribs now. False ribs, these are 8th, 9th and 10th pair. Okay, 8th, 9th and 10th pair. That is the only thing you have to know here. And then the last part is your floating ribs. So floating ribs is, these are located in the 11th and 12th pair. Okay, so you have to learn the location of each and every one, because that is very important. Questions may come from that one also. So these things are important, please learn this. I am writing also here, very important. So with this part we complete the ribs. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Best of luck and meet you in the next video. Thank you guys.